Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure your SIM is active and your carrier account is in good standing, because an account issue looks like a phone problem. Once verified, charge the phone above 20% and enable airplane mode for 10 seconds to force a radio reset. Then power the device off and remove the SIM tray briefly, inspect for damage or dirt, and reseat the SIM. These first steps rule out simple hardware or account causes before deeper configuration changes. Next, dig into settings to restore service. Go to network settings and try manual network selection to find the carrier signal. Automatic selection can fail after outages. Check APN entries and toggle mobile data off and on. If APN is missing or wrong, create exact carrier values. If problems persist, reset network settings to clear corrupted profiles. Also change preferred network modes, try 4G, then 3G or 2G or LTE only, to rule out radio incompatibility versus tower issues. Complete the process by updating the phone OS and carrier settings. Updates often fix modem software bugs. Reboot into safe mode to see if a third-party app blocks network services, and uninstall any recent apps if safe mode restores connectivity. If nothing else works, back up data and perform a factory reset as a last resort. This clears all persistent misconfigurations. Troubleshooting tip. If network still fails after reset, test a different known good SIM to isolate device hardware from carrier provision.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.